Today we discuss about Microsoft Paint. What is Microsoft Paint? Microsoft Paint is a program used to create drawings and edit pictures. Basically, Paint is a drawing softwares where we can draw any types of shapes, pictures, etc. How to draw shapes in a paint. Firstly, we can take a right triangle and draw it on a screen. Next is a oval or circle, a rectangle, rounded rectangle, triangle. These are the basic shapes of paint. You can draw any types of shapes that available on Microsoft Paint. After that you can fill color that you want. Different types of color available. You can easily fill them using the fill with color options. You can click on any color from color palette and click on the save. It will fill colors that you want. If you want to erase, then here available also a eraser button. You can erase them. If you want to increase the size of the eraser, then press Ctrl plus button. After that you can easily erase them. Next, if you want to make a flag, then firstly click on line tools and draw it. Those lines which are, you can easily erase them with the help of eraser tools. After that you can use the line tool. When you want to fill a color, then click on color options. These are the basic steps for creating a flag. If you want to erase them, then simply click on erase button. After that, erase with the help of mouse, pressing left button. Then I want to draw some shapes. You can easily draw which type of shape you want to draw in a paint. After that, click on fill with color options and fill the colors. You can fill any colors that you want. If you want to more color, then choose color from there. If I want to save these drawings, then click on File and select Save As. Type the name of file and click on Save button. It will save a file with the name Mohan that shows on a title bar. Here some important commands are there. These are close button, restore down and minimize button. Here first is file menu, after that home tab, after that view. Here all the commands related to paint available. You can easily click on the tools and use them. After that, I want to create a new file, then click on file and choose new option. You can use pencil tools to draw, eraser tools for erasing. If you want to write any text, then click on text tools and write that you want to write. Soft paint. You can use the colors, any colors that you want. You can also increase the size. Apply bold, italics, underlines. These are the basic of paint. You can write anything with the help of text tools. Also you can use brush tools to painting and for drawing purposes. You can use paintbrush for painting or drawing purposes. Here you can choose any colors that you want to fill on a document. What type of it shows on a screen. It's look very nice when you fill it with the help of different color combinations. After that, click on fill with color and it will make a new type of drawing. If you want to save it, then simply click on file and click on save. Type the name of file and click on save button. After that, you can click on file and click on close. It will close the paint. After that, you can restart the paint. Then click on file and choose command open. Tap the name of file that you want to open. After that, again click on file and new and the type of file that you saved earlier. These are the files that we saved in a paint window. Thank you.